All you need is your camera, the live stream program, a USB cord, and that's it. We just got to change a couple settings, and we have to make sure your camera is up to date. But I'm gonna be going through all that with you. So yeah, that's my OBS program, and here's the camera here. So yeah, I have a mic I'm using, external mic I'm using that works well, and a little cheap tripod. So to make sure our camera is up to date, we have to go to sony.com/support. From here, we'll type in the name of the camera and then go ahead and search for it. And when we get to the next page, you'll go to that download tab. Now from the download tab, when it loads up, it'll show you which version is the current version. Now to check to make sure your camera is for sure the current version, I'll walk you through the settings. So on your settings on your camera, go to setup 5 and then go to version. So you'll see the listed version currently on your camera right there. If you guys are watching this video, I'm pretty sure you know how to download a program. So I'm not gonna go through how to download the program to update, but I will say this USB connection setting here, it has to be set to mass storage in order for the update to take once you plug it up to the computer. But if that option is grayed out, make sure you turn off the PC remote function and the control with smartphone option. Now, as long as these two options are off, once you go back to your USB connection setting under setup 3, you can go ahead and select mass storage if it's not already selected. Now we have the latest version. If you go to setup 2, I recommend setting auto power temp to high or higher, because this allow your camera to run longer than usual when it starts to get hot. It'll still shut off if it gets too hot, so you can use your best judgment if you want to turn it on or not. But something that we have to have on when it comes to actually doing the live stream is the PC remote function under Network 1. And whenever we're ready to actually start the live stream, you'll go to Movie 4 in the settings on your camera and then select the USB streaming option. This will put your camera in a standby mode, so the only thing that's left is to plug it up. But when you do get to your live streaming program, make sure you select the actual camera's name. So if you just so happen to download Imaging Edge in the past, it may show it, but just keep in mind to select the actual camera's name. So in this case, we're going to select the option that says ZV1, and the same goes for the audio input. We'll select ZV1 and nothing else. All right, I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, let me know down below. For this video, that's all I have for you. Much love to each and every one of y'all, man. I'm your downloaded pirate, and I'm out.